well as an empowerment rally against violence. I'm not sure if you all are aware, but every time it gets hot, stupid stuff starts happening. And I just believe, and we just believe actually that if we can be proactive about this thing, that we can turn the tide. It's seeing sad things, but we got to begin to take pride in where we live. South Bend is not just where we live, but it's who we are. Can somebody say this with me? Say, I am South Bend.
South Bend.
That was weak. One more time. I am South Bend.
South Bend.
Run us, but what we're going to do is we're going to stand up, we're going to take our city back. That's what it's about. Nobody's coming in to rescue us. We empower ourselves, and we rescue ourselves. Why? Because we are South Bend. Somebody ought to say, I am South Bend. We are South Bend. A lot of times people are like, ain't nothing to do in South Bend, but check this out. If I'm South Bend, that means I'm here. You're South Bend, that means you're here. That means we've got to make the opportunity happen. We don't sit down and wait for it to fall into our laps. We make it happen.